team, I'm Yash and I'm building B-Hub. So I started building since I was 15, 16ish, and this started because I was a very curious kid, and everything started with a question on how does OLX make money, and that made me much more curious, and then I started building. I've been working since I was 15, 16ish. I did pretty odd jobs, from doing video editing, graphic design, to working in a stationery, just to experience how that is and how does stationeries make money. I caught my first break when I was 19. I was leading a team of 10 plus people, where we were doing MRR of around $10,000 to $15,000, and it was crazy. But it went down when Web3 space just crashed, and I had to shut it down. At that point, I was making an app, of course, with my own saved up profits, where you can buy NFTs with UPI. But again, there was no market for it. I realized a lot of mistakes that I made, and of course, learned through that. It was a hard thing to go through, laying off people, shutting company down. But again, I came back stronger. I started building in public, and I built a design studio to like 3 lakh rupees MRR in less than 45 days while building in public. And yeah, that's how I have been doing. And while building in public, it became very important for me to create content. And creating content as a founder is tough, but distribution is also important. So I decided to build an app that would help me do that. And that's what Behooked is. Behooked is an AI agent that turns your ideas into fully edited videos that you can post on Instagram, TikTok, by just talking to an agent, and you can just have your avatar speak. So yeah, that's what Behooked is. And you asked me a question like, what would be the most ambitious thing you would do if money was not a constraint? I think I would build a sentient robot that works on just solar energy. So basically having the brain as a foundational model, and then mixing it up with robotics, and then powering it up with solar, basically creating an electric being or a sentient being, and who can be a friend, who can be helpful to us, who can socialize as well. But of course, there needs to be some constraints there. But yeah, if money was not an issue, I would like to build that. That being said, would love to show you what we have built at Behooked. So this is the app. Here you can create a lot of things. You can create images using top models. You can create you can use Grok, Kling, Nano Banana, and much more. Then you have video tab where you can use top models like VO, Sora, and everything. Then you have editing where you can edit videos using Kling O3. You can do lip sync and much more as well, right? That being said, you can generate audios with all the top models. The main thing that we have built is a video agent where you can go from idea to fully edited video in just minutes, right? So I'll just show you one of the projects that has already been done. So yeah, here I just gave this agent a script, and it created this whole video of me talking in it. You can also ask for changes, you can ask it to change things, you can ask it to delete things, you can ask it to add things. This is the video it has generated. Hey, I'm Yash. I'm a founder and builder from India, and I've been obsessed with startups since I was in school. I started making content and building on the internet as a teenager, ran a digital agency, made my first real money through trading and NFTs, and later built and scaled a design studio to $10,000 MRR. I lost a lot of my own money trying to build an app in Web3, had to shut down my startup, and had to start again from scratch. Since then, I scaled a design studio to $3,000 MRR, shut it down, raised capital from my audience, and helped hundreds of people create and ship content consistently. Right now, I'm building Vibecon, an AI-powered product that turns your ideas into fully edited, social media ready short videos in minutes without cameras, editors, or complicated workflow. I'm focused on solving one problem, helping founders and creators show up online consistently without it becoming a full-time job. Excited about what we're building and excited to share more. At the same time, while we are building this, I also think that we are very much bullish on micro apps for micro use cases like UGC ads, for creating ad variations for people spending a lot on meta ads, and we have created these for them, and they can use those and create ads with just links and all. So yeah, that's me, and I'm very excited to be part of vibecon. Thank you.